My name is Brian Miskey, and this is my introduction. A little bit about myself. I am a junior in creative media here at Stanislaus State. I am an editor for the Signal, which is the student newspaper here on campus. I like to play video games, mostly sports video games. That's what I'm best at, but I do enjoy Call of Duty and other games like that. I collect books. I have right around maybe 200 books in my collection right now, and I'm still adding to it. Uh, I enjoy photography. I've been doing photography for about 5 to 6 years now. The couple pictures you see on the screen, I took of my dog Mac, who can be photogenic sometimes and sometimes not so photogenic. um, yeah. What interests me about marketing? You can change perception of a product. You can change how people perceive what the product is, and you can make it uh, better in the eyes of the audience. You can target singular or multiple audiences at once, depending on who you're trying to market the product towards. And another thing that really interests me about marketing is creativity is going to be needed. In today's world with this ever-changing landscape, uh, to market a product, you need to get creative with how you do it, whether it's piggybacking off of trends that are currently happening or uh, using the new platforms available like TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat as tools to put that product out there and into the eyes of the audience you're trying to reach. I look forward to working with you guys this semester.